I'm here to be crucified on behalf of what I say. It's true.
Truthful. This?
Yes.
No, it's true to you. Okay. Not to everybody.
Okay.
Het Ayanda Mabulu die keer te ver gegaan? Sy uitbeeldings van president Jacob Zuma het Suid-Afrikaners al telke male ontstel. Die keer laat sy uitbeelding van Zuma, wat 'n eksplisiete seksstaat met Atul Gupta in 'n vliegtuig pleeg, die oë rek. Mabulu het die simboliek rondom die kunswerk by Konstitusieheuwel in Johannesburg, waar die kunswerk uitgestal word, verduidelik.
It's reality, it's reality, and everyone here, even you, everyone here, understands that this is what's happening in the country. It's not a lie. This is the fact. This is the truth. It's just that people don't want to see truth when it's set and thrown in front of them, and more especially when the truth and facts are stinking like what ANC is doing in the country. The plane is the country that we're in. So imagine yourself, you are there in that aeroplane, and in the cockpit, those two are doing that thing, licking some with biryani, and we're going to crash. The economy of the country is crashing. Socially, the country is in ruins. Black people of the country are so looked at as nothing. They are put in a state of nothingness.
Hy het ook die gebruik van naaktheid in sy kuns verdedig en teen die ANC uitgevaar.
By using genitalia, fortunately in this painting there's no genitalia of a president, it's that of the good guys. You understand? So when I'm stripping them out of their underwears and stuff, it is to say I'm exposing that is hidden. ANC as a whole, if ANC was a proper party that cares about people, the country wouldn't have been in ruins at this point in time.
Do you hate President Zuma? Why would you depict him in a role like this?
I'm not going to stand here and lie and say I love him. There's nothing to love about a man who's stealing and who's doing all the dirt in the country. I hate him. Yeah, does that make me a rocky bad person?
Did you come says yes?
Die ANC het die skildery ten sterkste gekritiseer en dit as krievulgariteit en politieke opportunisme bestempel. Die kunswerk is afgebaken om te keer dat iemand dit beskadig.
I would deal with any man who's trying to vandalize my thing out. I'll mold him right here. That's my time. That's my everything. I peeled each and every blood clot out of me to create that. You ANC loyalist, you ever come now. Yeah. I'm not Brett Maria, sorry.
Die kunswerk vorm deel van 'n uitstalling wat veral jong swart plaaslike kunstenaars in die post-apartheid milieu 'n stem gee. Die ganse uitstalling is deur die Universiteit van Kalifornië gefinansier. Dit is tot 24 Julie by die Ou Fort by Konstitusieheuwel te sien en sal daarna na Duitsland en die VSA reis as deel van die besprekings oor die Black Lives Matter veldtog.